Hal unik terjadi ketika Martin Paz diwawancarai oleh dua pandit bola Amerika. Lihatlah di sini Martin Paz tersenyum sinis mendengar pertanyaan dari salah satu pandit tersebut. Terlihat jelas Martin Paz kesal, tapi mencoba tenang. Kamu penasaran apa yang ditanyakan pandit itu kepada Paez? Kamu akan tahu segera.
Yang udah klik like, gua respect banget. Apalagi udah subscribe. Yang belum, mandi lumpur.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Teman-teman semuanya, kita masih dapat berjumpa kembali ya. Ini ada video yang sangat menarik sekali dari pemain timnas Indonesia ya, Martin Paez teman-teman ya. Ketika ditanya tentang negara Indonesia dan sekarang bermain di timnas Indonesia teman-teman. Nah ketika diwawancarai ya, Martin Paez ini tersenyum karena ketika diwawancarai itu menyebutkan bahwasannya Indonesia itu adalah negara yang kecil dan Indonesia bermimpi ya untuk laju ke Piala Dunia. Nah ini cukup menarik teman-teman ya. Nah ketika Martin Paez ini diwawancarai, diberi pertanyaan hal yang seperti itu, ternyata jawaban dari Martin Paez ini sangat mengejutkan teman-teman ya. Nah oke teman-teman ya, tidak perlu panjang lebar bagaimana wawancara tersebut dengan pemain timnas kita yang sekarang ini lagi menjadi pujaan hati para warga Indonesia. Oke langsung saja kita simak videonya bersama-sama.
How's Indonesia looking at this opportunity and what would it mean for a smaller country?
FC Dallas keeper Martin Paz, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yes, absolutely. We can hear you. Can you hear us?
I can hear you guys too.
How much does it mean to be playing for the Indonesian national team?
Yeah, it means a lot. It means a lot. It's a great honor to my grandmother who passed away last year, and I think if you watch our games, it's a surrealistic experience. Like next month or this month, actually, I will play in Australia in Sydney. And then at home against Bahrain in front of 80,000 plus people. So, yeah, that's a super cool experience. Also great to see a little bit of the world, see different cultures, being involved in different cultures and learn a lot from it as a person as well. So, yeah, it's a really, really cool experience.
Talking with Martin Paz right here on 105.3 The Fan. Now, are you able to navigate Indonesia without being mobbed by people? Because we hear that you're quite the popular person in Indonesia.
Yeah, that's quite impossible, I think. Yeah, well, it's incredible, of course, to get that support, but sometimes I'm getting a little bit awkward from it. So,
do you have a motorcade? Do you have like a bunch of cars that you travel? Like awesome. You travel like in a motorcade with security and stuff?
Yeah. So in Jakarta, I always got a police escort to drive me everywhere, and then and on the airports, I always got like security with me as well. So, but sometimes it doesn't work really well because even the security wants to get the pictures, and then it's like everyone is gonna mob. But yeah, that's just a really, really cool experience there, and everyone is like super friendly, so I never have really bad experiences from it. It can just, if you want to get somewhere on time, it can just delay it a little bit. But I always smile, and I always want to give people a memory that they can have. And then, because I've been young and I've been long in a waiting for a signature or a photo, and then I'm like, if it's possible, I always stop by and do it as much as possible.
Been going. It was quite a fight for you to actually get the eligibility, wasn't it? But how's it been since you've been involved in the team? What's the future of that look like?
It's been incredible so far. I've played 6 games now for them. World Cup qualifiers. We're third now, 1 point behind Australia. I think March is going to be very, very important 2 games for us. But it's been a dream come true, to be honest, and it will be a full circle moment once we hopefully qualify for the World Cup with 9 games in Dallas, and that will be insane. So we will do everything for that. And the problems with the eligibility was mainly because I played for Holland under 21 when I was 22. Because of COVID, it got extended 1 year, but luckily that everything went through, and I've been able to play. and it's been a wonderful adventure.
We'll go to Steve.
Along those lines, Martin, we've seen the big countries have always gone to World Cup, and now that the World Cup has expanded, there is greater opportunity. How's Indonesia looking at this opportunity, and what would it mean for a smaller country, smaller soccer-wise, than others to make it?
I would love to invite you once to come to the stadium and experience it, because this is nothing like it. I think it's maybe a little bit similar to Boca Juniors or River Plate, which is more familiar to the US, what they know, but it's insane. The passionate of the fans there. Every home game we play for 85,000 people, sold out crowd, 2 ultras on both sides. So it's been incredible, and I think we have to, like, that loyalty and that support just deserves a World Cup. And I think also you see on social media how loyal and passionate they are. It's been incredible, and I think we have a bigger shot this year at it, than normal maybe, because we're now 1 point away from it, and even if we end up third or fourth, there's still a big chance that we go through. So of course we want to clinch it as soon as possible.
Ya, oke teman-teman ya, sungguh menarik perbincangan wawancara dengan Martin ini teman-teman ya. Oke ya, bahkan sampai Martin Paes ini mempersembahkan lah ibaratnya ya, dirinya itu main di timnas Indonesia ini dipersembahkan untuk neneknya. Ini sungguh luar biasa teman-teman ya. Oke ya, kita bacakan beberapa komentar dari para netizen teman-teman ya, yang mengatakan Indonesia itu negara kecil yang mimpi ingin laju ke Piala Dunia teman-teman ya, ketika wawancara itu ya. Ini hostnya belum pernah ke Indonesia kali ya. Indonesia dibilang negara kecil. Woi bro, datang ke sini. Kelilingi Indonesia. Anda tidak cukup dengan 1 bulan doang keliling Indonesia. Memang benar ya. Kalau mereka itu mau main ke Indonesia yang mengatakan negara Indonesia kecil, cobalah bermain di Indonesia. Bermain, berkeliling di negara Indonesia. Oke ya, kita lanjut. Bukan hanya mau pergi ke Indonesia, tapi mau pulang dan kembali bermain bersama Bahrain di rumah. Nah, ini kata-katanya tulus ya. Kau sangat tulus dan mewujudkan cara bicaramu yang memiliki jiwa Indonesia yang kuat. Ya mosok sudah menjadi warga negara, memang punya keturunan ya, pasti mempunyai jiwa jiwa nasionalis lah ya, tetap ya. Kalau Indonesia sudah dikehendaki oleh Allah ke Piala Dunia, tidak ada satu kekuatan pun yang dapat menghalanginya. Mantap bos, Martin Paes, pahlawan PSSI. Mantap Bang Paes, tunjukkan kepada mereka bahwa Indonesia bisa menuju dan bahkan akan berada di Piala Dunia 2026. Kita berdoa ya teman-teman sama-sama ya, nanti nonton sama-sama ya. Pastilah kita itu berharap nanti kita itu akan menang dan laju ke Piala Dunia. Sabar ya Bang, kita tunjukkan saat kita di kualifikasi Piala Dunia. Jawaban yang sangat berkelas dari Paes. Jawaban yang bagus Paes. Sopan dan santun yangnya gaya bicara kiper utama timnas Indonesia. Respect for you, Martin Paes. Nah oke teman-teman ya, itulah tadi kita sama-sama mendengarkan ya perbincangan ataupun wawancara Martin Paes ya. Ketika kita melihat cara bicaranya dan jawaban beliau itu memang cukup mengagumkan ya. Mengagumkan lah ya, karena seakan-akan beliau itu mempunyai dalam wawancaranya tersebut jawabannya ya, mempunyai jawaban yang memang itu dari hati teman-teman ya. Kita sama-sama melihat, bahkan raut wajahnya itu ketika ditanya seperti itu senyum-senyum. Mungkin dia berpikir orang yang mewawancara ini belum tahu nih Indonesia seperti apa. Apakah benar Indonesia itu negara kecil? Nah ini teman-teman ya, menarik untuk kita semuanya. Nanti kita sama-sama melihat ya pertandingan timnas Indonesia melawan Australia. timnas Indonesia melawan Bahrain, dan kita itu ya mudah-mudahan menang ya dengan pemain-pemain yang sekarang ini, yang mudah-mudahan mereka itu bisa membawa timnas Indonesia, membawa nama harum negara kesatuan Republik Indonesia ini. Semangat untuk timnas Indonesia, salam persatuan, salam persahabatan dari saya. Mohon maaf yang sebesar-besarnya kalau ada salah kata. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.